Hi, this is a video showing you our learning objective for PE this week. We want you to stay active at home and still access your PE learning. The activities can be done on your own or with a family member. Make sure you have plenty of room.
What we are working on this week, our skill is body awareness. The learning objective, learn left and right. The keywords this week are left, right. Our can I question this week is, can you identify right and left hand and right and left foot?
Hi, it's Mrs. Powell and Noah. And today we're going to do a short PE lesson for you to stay active at home or wherever you are. The first thing you need to do is to check that you have some space to do a little bit of moving about and being active. Have you got some space, Noah?
Yes.
Yes, wonderful. Okay. This week we're looking at body awareness. So we're going to look at different parts of our body and how we can move them. Okay, we're going to start off by warming up and getting ready for some activity with the head, shoulders, knees and toes rhyme. Do you think you could do that one? Are you ready then? Heads, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Heads, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Heads, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Can you do it even quicker, Noah? Can you do it quicker at home? Are you ready? Heads, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Heads, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Heads, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Well done, high five.
Can you do
Good
it
work.
quicker?
Oh, I think we're going to do another activity now. Okay, come stand here. Wonderful. Okay, now we're going to do the hokey cokey. I'm going to use different parts of our body to put into the hokey cokey and take back out again. Are you ready? We're going to start with our right hand. Give us a wave with your right hand. Well done. Come step back here, Noah. We put our right hand in, our right hand out, in, out, in, out. We shake it all about. We do the hokey cokey and we turn around. That's what it's all about. Now we're going to get nice and tight and low and we're going to do a big star jump. Ready? Whoa! The hokey cokey. Down again.
Watch me.
Yes. Whoa! The hokey cokey. One more time. Whoa! The hokey cokey. Knees bend, arms stretch. Rah, rah, rah. Let's do our left leg this time. We put our left leg in, our left leg out. In, out, in, out. We shake it all about. We do the hokey cokey and we turn around. That's what it's all about. Down we go. Whoa! The hokey cokey.
Watch me.
Yes. Whoa! The hokey cokey. Last time. Whoa! The hokey cokey. Knees bend, arms stretch. Rah, rah, rah. Now we're going to put an unusual part of our body in. You can choose one of your own. What shall we do? An unusual part of our body to put in. Your nose. Okay, we're going to put our nose in. Ready? Put your nose in. Put your nose out. In, out, in, out. We shake it all about. We do the hokey cokey and we turn around. That's what it's all about. Down we go. Whoa! The hokey cokey. One more time. Whoa! The hokey cokey. Once more.
Watch me.
Whoa! The hokey cokey. Knees bend, arms stretch. Right, right, right. Well done. Fantastic, and well done at home as well. Okay, take a breath. Well done. Now I'm going to show you some body parts and you're going to tell me what they are. Okay? Noah, could you sit down there for me? Turn around and face me. Good boy. Okay. I'm going to show you some body parts and you're going to tell me what they are. Are you ready?
Hand.
Hand. Well done. Fantastic.
Ear.
Ear. Good work.
Elbow.
Elbow. Well done.
Leg. Knee.
Knee. Well done. Fantastic. One last one.
Leg. Foot.
Foot. Well done.
Just remember what we were working on in this lesson. The skill was body awareness. The learning objective was to learn left and right. The key words were left, right. And our can I question was, can I identify right and left hand and right and left foot? It's really important that we know which is our left and our right, and how different parts of our body work.
We hope you enjoyed your PE lesson. You can try the activities again throughout the week. Stay safe.